Hey guys, welcome to our math puzzle. Happy Tuesday. So I hope everybody enjoyed their long weekend and you're ready for our new puzzle this week. So let's look back at our puzzle from Thursday. And it was one of those input-output tables that had to do with sunglasses and pineapples. It kind of brought me to summer a little bit, which this weather is turning out beautiful. So let's take a look. So when I'm looking at the top left-hand input-output table, I notice that the input column is 0, 5, blank, 15, 20. And then I notice that the output numbers are the exact same as the input. So that tells me that the pineapple and the sunglasses are going to be the number in the other column. So the pineapple must be 0 because the input is 0. And the sunglasses must be 10. So because the output is 10. So I'm going to put 0 in for all of the pineapples and 10 in for all of the sunglasses. Let's go over to the input-output table to the right of that. So I'm noticing that our input goes to 8, then to 4, then to 7, then to 9. So it's all over the place. And the output seems to be decreasing. But let's try and see, is there a relationship between the input and the output? Well, I'm noticing that 8 and 18, I could add 10 to 8 to get to 18. So maybe the rule is add 10. Let's see, 7 plus 10, does that equal 16? No, so the rule can't be plus 10. What if we multiply the 8 times 2? 8 times 2 is 16. 16 plus 2 equals 18. So let's try times 2 plus 2. 7 times 2 equals 14, plus 2 equals 16. Excellent. And I know the sunglasses are 10. 4 times 2 equals 8, plus 2 equals 10. So our rule for that top right-hand input-output table is times 2 plus 2. So let's try and figure out what the foot equals. 9 times 2 equals 18. 18 plus 2 equals 20. So wherever I see the foot, I'm going to put 20 in. Let's go down to the bottom left-hand corner for the input-output. I see that the foot is already filled in as 20. I see the sunglasses are already filled in as 10, and I see the pineapple is already filled in as 0. So the inputs are all filled in. The output has a 20, a mushroom, a 10, a remote, and a 0. So if I'm looking at that, what could the mushroom and the remote be? Well, they could be with the relationship minus 5. So 20 minus 5, the mushroom is 15. 15 minus 5 equals the sunglasses, which is 10. 10 minus 5 equals 5 as the remote. And 5 minus 5 equals the pineapple, which we know is already 0. So let's fill the mushroom in as 15 and the remote in as 5. Let's go over to the right-hand input-output column. So I know the pineapples are both 0. The remote is 5. The sunglasses is 10. The foot is 20. The mushroom is 15. And the foot is 20. So I notice that my output goes 0, 10, 20, 30. So what should the diamond be? Well, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40. I'm counting by tens. Add 10. So the diamond must be 40. All right, guys. So I hope that you all had a wonderful long weekend, and I hope you're ready for another week of remote learning. Check out this new puzzle, and tune in on Thursday for us to review that puzzle. Make sure you're checking Google Classroom. We've revamped our Google Classroom, so make sure you're checking out that classwork tab on your Google Classroom, which should have a nice list of everything that you need to complete for this week. We miss you all.